I don't know if any of you guys ever plan to do a copper mod. In case you do, please don't do it. At least don't do it this way. In case you were wondering, what is a copper mod? Copper mod is basically a GPU killer that consists of copper plates as a replacement for thermal pads. So let's see if this copper mod has succeeded in its intended purpose to kill this GPU. I'll start by taking measurements of the most critical areas, and after not finding anything suspicious, I will boot the card and run a memory test. Looks like we have a failure on 2 channels. I'll go ahead and inspect the board just in case, especially in the areas of the reported memory chips. Lucky we didn't find anything, so let's continue with the removal of the chips. Chips were removed and I verified all the connections on the board, which were all good. Suspecting a cracked joint, I decided to solder original chips back on and see if they work. If not, I will replace them with the other chips. Card passed memory test and outputs a picture and does not show any signs of a problem. So I will throw away the copper mod and install a complete set of pads. Followed by running stress tests, as usual, and finding nothing else wrong, I conclude this card a fix. And maybe this video will serve as a warning that before doing copper mod, you're running the risk of doing more damage than good. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about the copper mod in the comment section below. And as for this card, it is now fixed and performs as it should. I personally think that doing copper mod has a greater risk of permanent damage, and this one just got very lucky. But like I said, let me hear your thought on this in the comment section. Goodbye.